This is the Z20 Plus HIMO's brand new e-bike with a super small form factor, as you can see, but with the newest tech like a torque sensor, a powerful and efficient motor, and it also looks pretty nice. And for what you will get, it's actually surprisingly affordable. So let's check it out in detail. We got the new drip from HIMO, the Z20 Plus. By the way, if you're interested already, then check out the product links in the description. I will list and link the best deals for you. And now let's check it out. So here we have the box. We have the brand on the top. We have the front side right here. Back side is fairly similar, by the way. And also this side. And right here all the specs and features and details. We have carrying handles on both sides and it's fairly light and manageable. So yeah, let's open it up. As you can see on the top, we have this package with the accessories, with the brick and the pedals, more padding right here, then the saddle right here, then here is also mud guards and the bike itself. So let's remove the wrap. Alright, easy as that. And as you can see, we have these nets on the wheels. That's a super nice touch for the setup because the wheels will always leave marks on the floor. So that is actually amazing. But before we can get to the setup, let's check out the accessories. So here we have it. First of all, we have the saddle. That is so cool. Check this out. This is a seat pump inside. I've never seen this before. And you can pull it. Oh, you can pull it out? No way. Isn't that cool for fixing it to the valve? That is awesome. Okay, so let's put it back in. That is the best. And screw it back on. That is actually genius. So yeah, we have the end of the saddle. Then right here we have the scale with the max and min insert height. So pretty much 34 millimeters of diameter. Then right here we have the backlight. Let's pull out the strap so that we can already turn it on. Two modes, constant and off, or on and off. Then right here we have the underside and we can adjust it with this screw. Then we can slide it forwards or backwards. We can also adjust the position of the backlight. The saddle is looking solid and that's the top of the saddle, nice and soft. That's perfect. All right, so saddle done. Then we have the mud guards. This shorter one for the front, looking pretty cool. And this longer one for the back. There it is. Then we will get two pedals. That's what they look like. And they are also folding. You can fold them up like that. Pops back in place, left and right pedals. Then we will also get a bag with tools, two hex keys, a wrench and also a screw in here for one of the mud guards. And lastly, we have this box. And inside here we of course have the charging brick, then also the cable for the wall outlet, regular connector, and here we have the brick with all these specs and details, and the front side with the status LED right here. And the brick also has a dedicated manual, and that's what it looks like. So let's do it. I have already inserted it, but first of all, I would like to fix in place the handlebar, and you basically just have to insert it. And then with number 6, you can screw it in, screw it tight a bit, get the right position, go a bit more tight, even tighter. That's good, and now finish the job. Good stuff. Kickstand was pre-installed. Now let's do the pedals. And for this we will of course need the wrench. Let's insert the saddle for a quick win. There we go. And lastly, the mud guards. So this one for the front, I guess. And this one for the back. So usually installing mud guards is extremely annoying, but this one was so easy to install. Check this out. Amazing. And now for the back one, we will need the screw. I will have to bend it a bit. And again, super easy to install. Just bend it a bit upwards. And there we go. Easy as that. Love it. So front wheel, perfect, straight out of the box. Strong brakes, love it. Same here. Nice brakes. Done with the unboxing and with the setup. Now let's get to my first impressions and then of course to a close overview. Now check this out. I actually really like the mud guards. They look pretty spacey and cool. And I forgot about the keys on the handlebar. So here we have it. And yeah, as you can see, we have the white version looking really nice. Super nice finish. Frame is looking proper, nice design. And also the protectors on the wheels are such a nice touch. I love it. All right, so let's take a close look. So, starting at the back, we have the caliper, the disc, the back wheel, a reflector of course, and up here the mudguard. Then the saddle, we already know all about that. Then here we can see how the frame connects to the back wheel, branding, and the model right here. Trademark, yeah. Then we have the kickstand. This was mounted straight out of the box, little reflector right there. Pedals right here. Sounding proper. Cable management underneath the frame. On the other side of the back wheel we of course have the motor, all the gears and the shifter, protector as well as a protective plate. Oh, really nice right here. This side is looking similar to the other one. We also have this note right here. Here we can see the locking mechanism for the frame. So we have this safety mechanism and we can just pull it open. Here we have the front wheel, front caliper, front disc, looking really nice. Front fork right there, mudguard, and of course the front light. And before I forget, this is a profile of the wheels. I love this. Reflector in the front as well, front light from the front, back here branding. And here we have the mechanism of the handlebar. So we have this mechanism, this safety ring right here. Pull this out, then we can unfold it. Right here, a nice cable management through the handlebar, through the frame, and lastly, of course, the handlebar itself. So we have the brakes, back and front brake, then right here the shifter, nice grip. We also have a little bell right here, and we can of course also adjust the handlebar with this. And the left side with the board computer, press and hold the M button to turn it on. Oh, it's a color display. This is how the polarizer will react to it. Not too bad, it's immune. So we have the plus and minus for adjusting the assist from 1 to 3. Well, from 0 to 3. We have the M button to cycle through the trip. Odometer. Press and hold to turn it off again. Press and hold the minus button for the walking assist, all right. Burnout. And press and hold the plus button to turn on the light and to turn it off again, of course. And this is what it looks like. And on the display itself, we have the speed, we have the info bar down here, we have the pedal assist level, and we also have a battery indicator with 6 segments, it seems. Nice. So press and hold the plus and minus. For the setup, of course, you can dial in the units and all of that. So yeah, that's a great board computer right there. Yeah, and all in all, a proper e-bike. Can't wait to give it a test. Not bad, right? So let's finally test it. So here we have it. It's looking so nice with the mudguards and all. So first of all, I will try it without the pedal assist. So let's press and hold to turn it on. So from 3 all the way to 0, first gear. So let's see how hard it is to pedal without the assist. And as you can see, it's super manageable, no problem whatsoever. Okay, let's ramp it up. So gear 4, and in gear 4 I can comfortably cruise at around 15 kph. So let's ramp it up. Pedal assist 1. Oh, nice. 2. Okay, let's go back to 1. Okay. Oh, wow. So the pedal assist is not correlated with the speed, but it's rather setting the strength of the assist. The torque sensor is super responsive. Let's go back to 1 and gear 6, 20 kph. Comfortably cruising. Okay, on the second gear, 22. And on the third gear, pretty much all the way up to 25. Brakes are working great. Assist 3 is amazing. So no effort cruising at 25. And with a bit of effort, yeah, not too bad, not too bad. Great. The torque sensing is extremely responsive, it's crazy. All right, let's switch it up. So check this out, pedal assist 3. And literally the moment you press down on the pedal, boom, it will kick in. Oh, it's so nice. Wow. Okay, let's see how stable it is. Oh, not too bad, check this out. Freehanded riding is no problem. Small wheels, small bike, but it's still super stable. Right on. Right on. So, let's go. Brake test. Strong brakes, not too bad. Oh, it's so nice. Cruising at 25 kph with no effort at all. That's the best. That is the best. So yeah, great e-bike. That's pretty much what you can expect from it. Amazing torque sensor, and it's looking pretty dope. So here we go, great kickstand, and all in all, a great all-round commuter e-bike. Great brakes, it's looking sleek and refined, and the torque sensor is definitely my favorite part of this bike. It's so quick and fast and responsive, and it's just feeling extremely nice. Great display, great battery life, big thumbs up from my side. So we can fold it. Right here we have the safety mechanism. We need to move it out of the way, and we can open it up and fold the steering bar. Just like that. Then of course move in the saddle all the way. And then we have the last lever and the last hinge. Okay. And now, like that. Now check this out. Super compact. Look how tiny this is. Perfect folding bike. And it's also super light. I can easily lift it up with just one hand. Check this out. No problem whatsoever. And unfolding it is also super fast and easy. Just like that. And the steering bar. And we're back in business. So as you saw, this is a perfect commuter e-bike. You can bring it with you wherever you go. The form factor when folded up is so small. It is crazy. And it's fast too. It just takes a few seconds to compress it and also to undo it, of course. Really, really handy, especially, well, for example, if you're living in a city with a high crime rate. No worries, just take it with you. And yeah, it's small, it's light, so carrying it is a no problem too. Up the stairs, down the stairs, and no issues whatsoever. The riding experience was super smooth, of course, thanks to the torque sensor. I can't believe that this bike even has one. For this price point, this is great, to say the least. It's small, but the ride feeling is stable. It feels safe, but it's still powerful and fast. It's just great. It's also quite comfy and it's super agile. It's nicely designed, nice frame, nice paint job, nice welds. It's looking so good. This is my first white e-bike. I love it. White? It's just looking so nice. Anyways, definitely a great design and a great new e-bike by HIMO, and also definitely grippy. Check out the product links in the description if you're interested. I will list and link the best deals for you. But before you go, smash that like button, then subscribe, ring the bell and click all to never miss amazing tech magnet videos. That's it for this one. Enjoy your day and I will see you soon.